Are your web-based desktop software apps crashing due to the V8 Engine DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'm going to diagnose that error and fix it now. As we look at the manual steps for V8 Engine, there is also a diagnostic resource for reviewing your overall system health. This is the V8 Engine, the Google V8 JavaScript engine library. It provides the unmanaged orchestration for executing high-performance JavaScript code, facilitating the localized script data link within modern application manifests. Now that you know how the file works, let's focus on the how and fix the issue. Third-party application errors like this are best fixed by reinstalling the affected software. Download and reinstall the latest version of your web-based desktop software to restore V8 Engine DLL safely. If that initial setup didn't clear the pop-up, let's examine the specific initialization sequence assigned to your applications directory. If your system has been running for an extended period, a reboot might be necessary to resync your background processes and clear any temporary locks on the V8 Engine file. To avoid losing your place during the restart, bookmark this page now, or hit the like button to save this video to your library for easy access later. If you're still seeing the same problem post-restart, let's escalate our troubleshooting to the next tier. Feel free to pause the video if the next steps come at you too fast. Rebooting didn't restore the monitoring tools, so let's run a command to reset the performance indicators. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type locktr/r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, these files rarely suffer from physical corruption. Instead, their registration in the performance hive becomes desynced. This command purges those stale entries and rebuilds the registry links. I'd like to provide a brief technical warning about the risks of using unofficial file repositories. Using an incorrect or unverified version of V8 Engine DLL can trigger a domino effect within your runtime environment, causing unrelated professional applications to fail without warning. To reduce technical overhead while maintaining high security, here is a professional method for managing system-level file health. Review options for improving responsiveness and system safety by consulting the repair resource linked below for V8 Engine. I hope this resolved the conflict preventing V8 Engine from launching. For more deep dive technical tutorials and system configuration guides, subscribe to our channel today.